Puzzle books are common on Amazon now, and this particular puzzle book has made over $5,000 in a month. So today I'm going to show you exactly how to create your own puzzle book in few easy steps. So let's go. So first, guys, you're going to come to Google and you're going to type BookBolt. And so when you go into BookBolt, BookBolt currently has a free 3-day trial, so you can go ahead and try that, or you can just log in. So I am now logged in. Okay, BookBolt lifetime access is $197, which is super cheap. So it's something that I would encourage you, but you can go ahead and do the 3 days free trial first. And when you get into BookBolt, BookBolt has a lot of resources for authors and Amazon KDP authors. So first of all, we're going to go over here to Cloud, and I'm going to show you these books that are selling and making a lot of money. So we're going to go over here to Categories, and we're going to click on Puzzle Book. Okay, so let's look for, top 100. And the price range, we're going to reduce that to about $20. Okay, and then go ahead and search. So guys, as you can see, this particular book, the Big 4,000 New Words Word Search for Adults, is $8, and the estimated monthly sales is 652 sales. So multiply 652 by 8, and that is how much this person is earning every month from selling the puzzle book. And look at the one closest to it, it's $4.73, and the estimated monthly sales is 573. So guys, as you can see, it is currently in the trend and people are buying puzzle books. The key is to make yours unique, and that is what I'm going to show you how to do today. So over here, we're going to click on this bar and we're going to click on Create. Now, one thing I like about BookBolt is the templates it already has. So we're going to go over here to BookBolt Studio, and we're going to go try create our puzzle book. Alright, so I already started the project here. So we're going to click on Project and New Project. Okay, so when you go to New Projects, it's going to ask you paperback, cover and interior. Yeah, so paperback, cover and interior. Definitely, puzzle books are always paperback. And then the project name, I'm going to name this Puzzle Book 2. Okay, the standard trim size for puzzle books is the US size, letter size, which is 8.5 by 11 inches. So we're going to click on that. Interior and paperback type, black and white interior with white paper. Yes. And we're going to click on bleed, because bleed allows the puzzle to look good so that it can go out of the margin. The page count now depends on how many puzzles you want to make. Now with BookBolt, okay, so let me just choose 20 pages for myself and then just create project. In BookBolt, the least amount of pages you can create is 24. So I'm going to go ahead and create like 30 pages and go ahead and click Create. Alright, so the first thing it shows us here is the cover, which is that's calculated for us already, so you don't have to go download that from KDP cover calculator. And so we have the cover here, and then we have the pages. So we're going to go ahead into the pages first, because that's what I want to do first. And then you go ahead and click the page templates. So guys, you can see you have for notebooks, you have for graphs, right? You have a lot. You have for the music sheets and all of that, but we're looking for the puzzle template, and here it is, the word search. I don't know why I keep calling it puzzle, but yeah, word search. So we're gonna click on this word search and click on the amount of pages we want to use. Okay, For this test, I'm going to be using 6 pages, and I'm going to show you why. Alright, so click on next. Now over here at the font size, you're going to leave it like that. The font color, let's change that to black because we want that to be easy to see. The word font, we're going to make that black as well. Alright, you can leave the size that way. The maximum word per page, how many words on your word search do you want per page? So we're gonna go ahead and click 20 words, which is okay. Okay, diagonal words, no. Reverse words, actually we can use diagonal words. You can either use it or not, whichever one you want. Reverse words, no. Alright, so the columns, the column type, you can leave it as columns. The stroke width, leave it at 2, and all of that. So you can leave every other thing as is. Okay, you can leave every other thing as is. Now we're going to get to the part, this part where it says choose CSV files. Now the CSV file is where you put in the words that you want in your puzzle book, and this is what BookBolt is going to read to create your word search book. So how do you get this CSV file? So the first place we're going to go to is ChatGPT, and over here in ChatGPT we're going to go ahead and write generate 20, what words should we use? Okay, let's do 20 vocabulary words with less than 20 letters, because BookBolt usually wants it 25 or less. So with less than 20 letters for a puzzle book, for an adult puzzle book actually. And click enter. So we wait for, you can see ChatGPT has given us all of that. Okay, and we have 20 of that. Great. So the next place we're going to go is Excel. So you're going to click on Excel and open a worksheet. Now this is super easy. Don't get intimidated or scared yet. And we're going to change this to, let's quickly rename that. Okay, and I'm going to name it word search. Great. So that's good. Now every of your word would be in this one column A. Okay, so we're going to go ahead to ChatGPT and copy the words. See how easy it is. We're going to come to Excel and paste them. Easy. Now we're going to leave a space, and when you leave a space, the space tells BookBolt that this is where the first page ends. Now we're going to another page, so we're going to go back to ChatGPT and tell it to generate 20 more. So ChatGPT has done its job, and then we're going to go ahead and click copy it again. Okay, and then paste. Okay, now we leave a space again and ask ChatGPT to generate 20 more. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'm just going to be doing 3 pages. Great. So we have 20 more. We copy it. Alright. And paste that. Guys, don't forget to leave a space between them so that BookBolt will know where you're in. So what we're going to do now is go to File, and click export. So export allows you to download as PDF or download as CSV. So you want to click on download this sheet as CSV. Okay, so download as CSV, and there we have it. So now we're going to go back to BookBolt and choose CSV file, and just go ahead and upload the CSV sheet you just did. Now over here you can look over here, you can see solution placement. That's the solutions for your puzzle page. So for some people, they do not want solutions, but for us, I want solutions after all the puzzle pages. Okay, so we're going to use solution, and you're going to click solution after puzzle pages. So after you've created after you've uploaded your CSV sheet and you've asked the solution placement to be after the puzzles, we're going to go ahead and click next. Okay, so here you can see BookBolt is telling you this is where the puzzles are: puzzle 1, puzzle 2, puzzle 3, and then the solution will be on these other 3 pages. So we're going to go ahead and click submit. And look guys, BookBolt has generated our word search. So we have 3 pages of word search. Okay, and you can see we have 3 solution pages as well. So how are we going to make this book look nice? So this is what we're going to do. We're going to go over here and now resize. Okay, let's just kind of center it a little bit. Make it look a little smaller. Okay, now what we're going to do is go over here to file library, so you can get pictures from Pixabay or Unsplash free. Alright, so we're going to go here and type banner, and let's see what we get. Okay, so we can see a lot of banners here, and I'll just go ahead and choose this one for the sake of this tutorial, which is not bad at all. Resize it. Okay, and then enter text. And we're going to write puzzle number 1. Bring it over here, resize it. And oh, I just want to rename that puzzle number 1. Great. So we have our puzzle number 1, and you just go ahead and do this same thing for the other pages. Okay, so now one thing that I'd like you guys to know is for the answer pages, you don't want to have one answer per page, because then you're going to have a bulky book. So this is what we're going to do about that. We're going to go over here and resize it, make it very small. Okay, then you go to the next answer page. Okay, what happened? So we're going to go over here and resize this and make it very small. Okay, then we're going to go to the next page. We're going to copy this. Okay, after you've copied it, you come back here, paste it, and resize it. Okay, make it that small and bring it to the side. Okay, so that we can have just one answer page for all the puzzles. Okay, so same thing, go over here to the third one, copy, and come back up and paste and resize Because guys, if you have 50 pages puzzle, you don't want to have 50 pages answer pages as well. Okay, so over here you see that we can fit in up to 9 answers over here, answers and solutions. So we have all of that. So you go ahead and do that for all the other pages. And guys, always remember to delete these pages as you go. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do after we have created this, remember to recreate this for your other pages. Okay, so we're going to go over here and click download. Always download and CMYK for printed books, because that's the best. So when you click download, it's going to go ahead and check it and download it as a PDF. So when it's been downloaded as a PDF, you can go ahead and upload it to your Amazon KDP. Remember to remove your cover page from this pile if you cannot design it over here, and then you can go to Canva to design it. I feel more comfortable designing my covers on Canva, so you go to Canva and design your cover. I'll make another tutorial of how to create the cover on Canva. But guys, that's how you create a puzzle book on BookVault to sell on Amazon KDP. Now, if you do not know how to list on Amazon KDP, go ahead and click on this video, or this is either here or here. Click on the video and to show you step by step how to list your book on Amazon KDP. Alright guys, I hope this has been helpful for you. If it has been helpful, kindly click the subscribe button and also give us a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video.